For the next presentation, I'd like to spend a little bit of time looking at the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram. And for now, I just want to take a look at how to trace the pentagram because that's very important. That will help you with the rest of the ritual. And we're going to simply look at how to visualize and trace that pentagram. And if you don't have any ritual tools such as a dagger, you can simply use your index finger. That might be best at first. I haven't gotten into explaining the type of dagger you should use, but it's not going to be the air dagger. So you're going to start tracing the pentagram from the Earth triangle, or the triangle corresponding to Earth. And you want to trace the pentagram fairly large, and you want to have it correspond to your body. So the way that you would start is from your left hip up to your forehead, to your right hip, left shoulder, right shoulder, and then close the line back at the left hip. Now you'll notice I put in start at the left hip, and I spelled it S-T-A-R with a dash T. In other words, the start is a star or a point. In this case, it's your point of view, your consciousness. And as Crowley said, every man and woman is a star. You are a geometric point, generally conceived of in the center of your head. So all of these exercises will be starting with your consciousness, and you will be extending lines or rays from your consciousness, connecting points in order to connect the dots to produce a specific idea represented as a geometric symbol. I'll get into more of that, but for now, simply learn to trace the pentagram with your index finger at a proper size corresponding to your body, and learn to visualize the pentagram. Now, the pentagram should be drawn in a blue flame, similar to a gas stove. So practice this exercise, and in the next presentation I'll go over the ritual in greater detail. You'll be tracing this pentagram 4 times in the 4 quarters, and we'll also be looking at the Kabbalistic cross and the visualization exercises that accompany that exercise. As I mentioned before, that is part of Israel Regardie's presentation on the LBRP. However, I am going to examine this ritual in greater detail and provide some extra tips on the practice.